Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakir. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So I had to start a vlog today because today's Tovia's birthday. So in the comments, wish her happy birthday. Yeah, so today's Tovia's birthday and we are carrying her out. So we're carrying her out, so you know we got a vlog today. We gotta do something. So yes, as I showed you guys, my don't mind me, I'm in dirty clothes right now. Let's wake up and put it on so I can look a bit decent in the house. So yeah, so yes, you guys saw my clothes I'm gonna be wearing. Got my backpacks over there, my daughter's back here. You probably gonna see her in the vlog. Yes, so let this vlog begin. Jenny said we song.
What?
No, me want to song. Go sing song. Sure. Want to sing a song for Auntie Tovia now?
Then get Liam.
Sure.
Oh, but this one.
I know you're ready for sing happy birthday for Auntie Tovia.
Happy birthday to you.
She not even hear you.
Anyway, happy birthday to you.
Oh, there is a man, yeah.
Really?
Can you take a picture with the pin of them?
I know they didn't really just stay quiet for me do it, but yeah. Yeah, true. I don't know. Where I go? Where I go?
Go on.
Oh.
Swift.
I was thinking you guys going out soon.
Finally here.
Boy, me a drop. Hi, baby. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So we had a lovely time. Beach was lovely. Actually, you know, it's not the same day because my hair kind of different. I've washed it because the salt water went into it, so I washed it and just blow dried it, and yeah, so that's that. So yesterday was really fun. It's been a while we haven't been to the beach, so being there was lovely. And I know Tovia enjoyed because she has been saying, I want to go to the beach, I want to go to the beach. So she finally got to go to the beach, and we're excited and we love that for her. She enjoyed her birthday, and I'm really happy she did, and that was the aim. That was really the aim. So yes, we ended up reaching home probably about after 10 thereabouts. Guys, let me tell you guys something was happening yesterday, and we were in traffic for like 4 to 5 hours. So that was an experience. It means we started out probably about 3 or 2 something. I don't remember the exact time, that's why I'm saying 4 to 5 hours. So we started out quite early, right, light up in a traffic all long, and then we look at almost 6 o'clock, and I'm like, in a traffic so long? Yeah. Fall asleep all in traffic and wake up, I was still in that traffic. But anyways, we made it to Mammy Bay or something like that. I don't remember what the place is called. It's in the vlog, but this is what I'm talking about. So it was a new plaza that has KFC on it and Pizza Hut, and we needed KFC and Pizza Hut. However, upon reaching the Pizza Hut, no. So luckily we had something else. Starbucks. There was a Starbucks there, so we ended up having Starbucks to drink. Guys, I had a strawberry cheesecake thing. Chef's kisses. It was nice. And Tovia got her, what was it again? I don't remember it right now, but I know it has like chocolate chip and you know the coffee in it. So yeah, it was really nice. So yes, we had that, and then we head home instead of continuing, because even when we came out of KFC and also Starbucks, the place was still, it still had the traffic. And the traffic went up far. Apparently there was a party that was causing the traffic to happen and whatnot, because the party was really big. So anyways, we ended up going back to St. Anne's Bay and then coming up that section. So yes, that is what happened yesterday. It was really fun. It was really an experience. Enjoyed it, so not gonna complain. Would do it again today if I could. But anyways, thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, subscribe if you have not as yet. Sorry guys, I have been neglecting you guys. I'll do the Q&A that I'm supposed to do. I must still do it. I'm gonna see if I can do it tomorrow and post it like later on in the week. So yes, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.